What are you videoing?
Burping contest.
She also videoed me training them as dogs. With the axe. I beat them and made them lay down and then do abs.
Wait, what? Abs?
That was sweet.
Abs. Like work out their abs? Oh,
You guys are gonna make yourself sick drinking so much soda.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm done here.
Forces one, there's like cans sitting everywhere.
Yep.
They need to make the remix with chocolate milk. Yeah.
What were you saying? What were you saying?
I said, this is Kale for the first week when we get back.
We do?
Oh,
It's like nothing.
Not bad, and sometimes we're so mad when she gets back for the week.
Well, I mean, we don't get work done anyways.
Neither do we, but we're gonna be really bad. We're gonna be in trouble. We have Alex in class.
That was a long one. I swallowed it back down.
That one kind of got stuck.
Yeah, I know. Come on!
You're punching in the stomach.
Yeah, I know. This is so gross.
So they told you she's going to juvie?